Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. If you're like me, as a man, I don't take great care of my skin. And as you get older, it starts getting that, let's just say old man skin. I don't like to say that. But I've found with my skin starting to age, I need to start using some lotion. And if you're watching this and you're younger, you should go ahead and start yourself. If you're new here and like these kinds of reviews, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything but helps me out a lot. I found that this Necessaire, the body lotion brand, which mostly women use, works really well for me in refreshing and rebuilding my skin. I hate a slimy lotion that you can feel on your skin that's all slick and sticky for hours afterwards or even 10 minutes. What I really like about this is that it's fragrance free and that it doesn't leave that film behind. It truly doesn't smell, and just a couple minutes after you rub it in, you cannot feel it on your skin at all. As you can see, all you need is a little bit, and then just rub it into your skin, and it quickly absorbs into your skin and feels perfect to the touch. I highly recommend this lotion for your dry skin and damaged skin, especially as you're getting older as a man. If you're interested in this, go ahead and click the link in the description and get yourself some.